Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Yeah, so today's bars we have Yaw Tog speaking about his rumored girlfriend. Yeah, so American rapper Yaw Tog has refuted claims about his rumored girlfriend. Yeah, so a few days ago, a video surfaced on the internet where Yaw Tog was seen singing along with a very beautiful lady to his Sorry remix featuring British Ghanaian rapper Stormzy and Ghana's Kwesiata. Yeah, so this aroused the interest of many in the love life of the young rapper. He, however, explained that she is nothing but his sister. According to Yaw Tog, out of the 3 children of his parents, she happens to be the middle one. Yeah, so Yaw Tog went further to clear the air. Okay, guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
2 million views on YouTube. Yaw Tog deserves a standing ovation, and I'm glad enough for him. I take off my hat, give me blast. I'm giving you 7 blast, and 7 is a number of perfection. And I'm telling you, I'm endorsing Yaw Tog as the new face. Yaw Tog is the new face of. Listen to me. Hello, Ghana. Now, it is certified, and I affirm it, I endorse it, that the local trap drill music, the center of West Africa drill and hip-hop movement, the face of hip-hop drill movement in the whole of West Africa is Yaw Tog, and I'll give you a blast. Alright, now let's get onto the street and take the anthem. Hey, get up, get up. Hey, get up, let's go. Hey. That's the kind. Hey. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who? Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who? Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who? Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, yo. On the 1 and 2's my bros, young bull coming, I'm dealing with goats, yeah. On test cyber fuel, getting my packs and building my goals, yeah. On the road coming, you found about hope, me we coming. Young bull threats, I'm killing your dummies. Want to me for this, that time coming. Yeah, I'm on guard, wishing the grave for my dogs. Thought I remember, but the few got lost, oh my god. Yeah, I know I saw it to me more. This is shall say this pain's gonna be lost for a drum for the motherland. Got place in the Netherlands. Big stats, shall grind fair by the land. Go race, I go hard down, niggas, I'm better than wrong. African ball with a big drip. Yeah, I'll grind for the big pick. Told my man slack, I'm a big fish. Say G with it, then once not this. Get it, hey, grind for the money, no girls, no hoes. Came out some food and 10 so good. Mama made it, see I'm go. Hey, yeah, I'm making mama, yeah, I'm making mama, yeah, I'm making mama. Hey, get it, mama, yeah, I'm making mama. Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who? Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who? Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who? Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, like Big Mike on the remix. We don't live your life, we just dream it. Don't mind the body, don't mean it. If I slap your face, you're gonna feel it. Slide you the middle like grillish. My next is bigger than my previous, but so hard we need to. Hey, yeah. I'm a real fire, you like Joffrey. I am the king, nobody can stop me. See when I get I was cooling, I was resting. But this year, next year, I'm on the next thing. Last time I fell on my start to perfection. So the truth and it sounds impressive. Big Mike, my friend call me Junior. My bad, I should have pulled up sooner. Look at my eyes, you call me Nkrumah. That's a real presidential black man. Real revolution starter. And I'm all like the youths in Barca. Bare chesting when I walk through Ghana. And I don't do beef, I do karma. I swear with the last one's
okay, 101.7.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who? Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who? Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who? Yeah, that's sorry. Hey, Wild clubs, 30-0. Hey, hey, remind your egos. Hey, hey, think I'm a hero.
That's your mentor.
Yeah, hey, hey. Bad case, no fat games. Call me up, bad bitch. Savages, that bro, as a campaign. Fast pace, my state, third life, 10 toes. My name pains to the world. Hey, hey, I wish you back 10 fours. But it's 10 though. But that guy shake both. I still didn't fuck with the other side. I still didn't ride with my bros. For all of my niggas. Hey, yeah, I'm making mama. Yeah, I'm making mama. Yeah, I'm making mama. Hey.
Wow. Let's give it up to the teenager, a senior high school Form 3 student from OWAS, right?
Yeah, Opokwari School.
Oh, let's give it up. His name is Yaw Tog. Now, drill is a fully fledged international sound, and Ghana is not left out. Coming from the street of Kumasi, we call it Asaka. Asaka kasano otipa.
Me sharan tisaba about community video.
Asa wo ye dada ba o a street.
Oh, there be
you want Asaka na we street boy arrange out to me Asaka kasam.
Oh, it's a kakawa.
Kaka
Dabro na asna venu kwa.
O say mente kan.
It's a dabro. Brother.
Dabro.
Sakana Osaka Vigino.
Dabro sakana
Osaka Vigino.
Sakana Vigino.
Kasana Okasa Egivino.
Dabro sakana Osaka Vigino. Okay, Dabro sakana Osaka no Vigino.
Amalegani Edeba.
Eno yere.
Goni Edeba. Goni bad.
Now, yeah, the remix with Stormzy and Kwesiata.
Yeah.
Okay, but the original sorry no started here no. Now you get the difference between the sorry now we and the international sorry.
Yeah. Mama G's, yeah.
Mama G's,
yeah. Hey, hey, huh? Hey,
Mama G's,
hey. 1, 2, 3, yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who, yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who, yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who, yeah, that's sorry. Hey, yo, I saw my gang, yeah, cool. Boys, they had their cool. Step on set, one fed got somebody, enjoy your cool. Me name me gang, Santa boys, we don't fear, we just do. Kumerke, say it in me, won't pursue, it in me, can't buy the bomb. Joy 20 men da, hey, can't buy the bomb. Joy 20 men da, yo, get on my foot, nigga provoke. Santa boys, so we got this to be broad. Digging my gold, selling the show. Holla me Tog niggas, Santa America, Miami, Florida, nah, yeah, me blood niggas. I don't fuck with no false niggas. Niggas be turning some false true about the life living. They ain't got no life living. You know, I said cool scheme, it don't end till like that's the part of the living. Me name me gang, how they go Kobo, me moo, hey, bandana, Mami so we catch chances to Sana. Out of my way. These niggas keep on talking, never did a thing to say. I've been trapping many years on no bragging. Out of my way, yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who, yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who, yeah, that's sorry. Hey, who, yeah, that's sorry. Joe. Men down put in my story, me come bang, me come sorry. Many come, and this time me they toss I saw. Hey, send the location in me bedroom, bad bitches to hey. Up a son the gang, be share their bear my check it bottom. Many time by me a free, getting money we no degree. See my ba, me a G, blood nigga from the sea. Hey, I'm a casada, Yaw Tog, him permata. Hey. Your back at yeah, sorry, I got the boys on the road. You're a better pay. Hey. Be the time for fake friends, me akakani, the barber toilet. I can't tell what I mean da. Hey, when you break off, when I trap it, see me, tell me I had one of my trap it off. And me boys in the sea, and just one their body. Yeah, uncle, yeah. Me gang your back, me gang, yeah, what? Hey, me Many Akata boys, hey,
only Akata boys, only Akata boys, my idea, pa. Matra Peto, money atra money tongue. Share video no. Any share more she womb, any tattoo on my yatu to mo. Any akukray and the same to a mokofano gramin, mokofani free. Hey, na Sadia Mekayano. Usiana Moriana and Pia Chacha. Na afe na obadi odi be ni Yaw Tog. Ani ase kuma se mrantie wo be se omu.
Oh, pa she dey. Director na shishe Kopoku Studios.
Ano so amon shishe wo. Asi video no amon shishe wo.
Street so be I do. Wetin mean tell me so enjoy do ye.
Sa?
I cry bobo.
Ya bobo ma so won.
Obi aso adenti.
Eti
so here ni pan so originality.
Eti uma mi ahwe video no.
Oh, ahwe.
Ano ohun ne bay ne wifo yi ne e be sore ye ho na tattoo de da ye ho. O se me ba ya oni ni.
Oh.
Okay, Yaw Tog. Ma me hwe eye tweet bi a wo tweet ye. I didn't sign their record label deal, and it came out from them since I didn't sign their deal. They can't work with me again. And things started from deleting of my verses and stuff they did together. But I appreciate them. They part of my success story. Why now on an say?
Oh, boss, you what's that?
Oh, wait. Yeah, wait. Bemaya.
Boss,
fire.
Every video friend, Bemaya. Bemaya, wait.
boss.
Yeah, which you want no more. We saw soccer there, we saw soccer here. ATM. You saw the control the open to the yellow. Let's see. What with it? Wo Yaw Tog what with it? And I don't know what it. And I will say, I didn't sign their record label deal, and it came out from them since I didn't sign their deal. They can't work with me again, and things started from deleting of my verses and stuff they did together. But I appreciate them. They part of my success story. Why now, know? Like I said.
Oh, boss.
Meaning to who answer now me call next one. Who answer me the next question?
Okay. Come on, Kofobi Kakaraba. You see how they cool your sorting.
Okay.
Fine.
I don't see or hashtags is here. My main kind was second tweet. I think I need to clear this. I'm not beefing anyone in this music thing. Yeah, I did a song with the Asaka boys, and it was for love thing and support. And fine, I can't ignore the Asaka boys in my storytelling because they're part of my success story. Hashtag sorry remix. So who are you referring to? We know. So just be bold. Come on.
Oh, boss.
Don't want back game anymore. Kasasa Bema.
Now I said, like you release this song and I'm out for free. Say, many boys singing now. Like no more who say me no more number. So I'm sure say rumor say you're ungrateful.
Rumor says why are you ungrateful?
I'm say me if you say I'm a boy married to me no one nanti bi on and I'm oh when you say in your door. You don't talk as bibia.
Inti starting from deleting your verses to starting from deleting your verses, you know.
Oh wow, you make back I say you're cool.
Oh, just but when you're cool, so what could tweet it? The only other Twitter so near that's at the home.
Oh, I show.
And I'm saying at the home where delete cry capture.
screenshots here.
Screenshot, yeah.
Receipt.
Oba no I study because you create information. My auntie me busa as a cowboys any akata na odi asweve busa na ri asweve busa bi na dia wo nya botre bullet na nkasa ni o wa ba tweet say na nko mo pese mo sign o na one sign deal no na o twe wo ho na one sign on record label no and after the ebedu deleting your verses from the song and one sound so about say o success story ye wo Yaw Tog success story no enya de a wo ko ba bi a ummo asaka boys wo ba e wa bo mu din but remix ni eno na Stormzy ene kwesiata ewo eti ede na wo patche ene o first tweet na wo tweet ye.
Okay, I think that okay, say me koyo juma. I said the akako pen more baby no. Na fe ni pa no pese on ojo tina no when I'm so boss. Acho daddy. Babu me da wasi me pese me so me.
Okay, FM 1
watch me ka try me so me ka play me there. See koya me dia koya me so there ba. I think that we still dey enye ntokwa enye bibia.
Okay, so say see I only as a cowboy so no you cool.
But you cool. You cool pa.
When you cool there, about the same no modality of verses if the original sorry and name.
Oh. Say the audience CBS ni ba say
Metia say me person be who say mu you cool. I know the remix. The remix I don't just say old one you go delete verses.
Yeah.
You understand me? Okay, so you did the original sorry with the Asaka Boys.
Yes, please.
And you have done remix with Stormzy and Kwesi Arthur.
Yeah.
And now what better to say? Now more person can almost sign onto their record label. And now Anyi until almost started say almost delete your verses, you know. Every who owns the sorry song? Who owns the sorry song?
Yaw Tog.
Yaw Tog.
Yeah.
It had no modality of verses if he the first sorry and you.
Okay, that song's not releasing there. I almost got some
Okay.
And I remix no never see a vibe, no cause me me tea Storms, you know. I'm a senior limits there where they was said me didn't win never so. Yeah, it's a bad energy bia.
Right.